Hello friends, we are talking about how to create a manual database creation. Under that we gonna prepare the database name. So my database name is pink. So I am planning to create a pink database. So under that first we create a p file for the pink database. So under that we am created a p file. So init.ora. So I may create a p file. Ping.ora. So see here I am create first my parameter is so first see this is the mandatory parameters. Only mandatory parameters is db underscore name and memory underscore target. It is the mandatory parameters. Without this parameter we cannot start the database because of all parameters is optional, but it is in real time, and when we are creating database it is creation is mandatory. So if we are not using audit file list, it taken by for the audit location in Dayag. So in audit trail is db, it is defaultly if it is not mentioned here, so it is take default. So compatible is parameter to database competition. So when we are not using compatible parameters, it automatically takes 11.2.0.0. when we are not taken control underscore file, it is default creation in FRA area, so it is not mandatory. So we are declare here control file and control underscore file parameter because of it is a location is user friendly, where wherever we are create control files is we can mention here how many create control files. It is mirroring is here. So this is the my first control file, then this is the my second control file location. So in that parameter we can decide how many control files we are created and when which location we are created. Then we define a db block size. Default in 11g default db block size is 8 kb. So it is define is mandatory or non-mandatory. If you take db block size is 4 kb, you can take here 4096. Then db name, it is a mandatory because of without a db name we cannot create a database or we cannot create a control file. Then db underscore recovery underscore file underscore disk is a parameter which where we take a backup and flashback recovery area. It is a FRA area. Then db underscore recovery underscore file underscore disk, it is the size of this parameter. This location size is like that. So Dayag location, what is the Dayag location? Dayag location is oracle /user1/app/oracle. This is the location of Dayag, default location. So in that we not using this parameter, it is defaultly take $oracle home when we are exported. What is the dispatcher process is services oracle services when we edited this file. Only I show you all these things. So log underscore arc underscore max underscore process, it is a how many logs process and archive processes is here indicate here. Memory underscore target, this is the HGS size. Open underscore cursor, how many processes is running, how many cursors is running. Then how many processes taken, 150. Then remote login password is exclusive. We cannot discuss about exclusive and user manual remote login password files options later. So my undo table space is undo tbs2 and undo retention is 10800. Default window retention is 900. So I am gonna edit it. One dollar space S O R C L and replace it pink. My database name is pink, and see here it is the, so I am also edit a window TBS 1. I am create a window TBS 1 because of when we are create graphically it is by default is window TBS 1 and retention is 900. So I am change here memory underscore target is not supported, is HGA underscore target, sorry, HGA underscore target. This is the parameter for the HGA. So now our P file is ready to, so I am save it. Okay, I am save this file. So I am create location as per P file for the database. So first as per, so I am create this, so mkdir -p this location. So I am create another location, so I am create this. mkdir-p in flashback area. So our location as per P file we are created location. So we gonna second step, we gonna create a directory. Second step is over. As per 10G and 11G we can create a location. So our second step is over, so we can create a directory as per SV file. So we gonna jump to the third step. We can create a create DB statement script. So in that include a data files and redo-logs files. So I gonna create create DB. So this is my create DB. So see, create database ping. What is the user? Sys user identified by password. My password name is Vastu. So system user, my password is Vastu. This is two statement. Look carefully. So how many log files and how many members is created? So log file, how many members I am created as three groups I am created. How many members? Each group has a one member. So what is the size of group? Group members is 50 MB. So I am gonna create a 3 groups. So how many instances I am created? 1. In RAG database, max instances is many, as hundreds or as per requirement is 10, 20 as like. So max, what is the max logs files? It is 5. It is create a max 5 groups. So what is the max data file is 100. Character set AL32 UTF-8, national character set this. And what is the my system table space? This is the my system table space, system01.dbm. I can change the my system table space name also. In this it create. So what is the size of this system table space? Is 500 MB. If you want to change the name of system table space, you can change here and here. Okay. Second, what is the my second table space is sysocs. What is this data file? This sysocs01.dbf. Size is 250 MB. So my window table space, which my window table space is window TBS1. So what is the data file? This is the data file. This is the size. So I am prepared as to extended on 5 MB next unlimited. So default, what is the my temporary table space? Temporary table space is temp. So this is the my temporary data file, and this is the time zone. So all this information goes to the control file. So I am not use all this file. When I am not prepare these files, only in that case only a system file is take responsible to the do activity of these all files. System, if I am not creator window table space, then system table space, there is an window retention segment, window segments is there. So window segment is responsible for the all working of window table space, is do the working of window table space. If I am not a creator temporary table space, in that case is temporary segments do the working of temporary table space. So this is the my local time zone, so database time zone. So I'm create this create db statement script. So in that case there is a many, you see here it is a many locations is here. In that standard I am create a directory structure. So I am gonna create a directory structure mkdir-p. This is the my directory. So in that case I am a create see here create this location. So mkdir-p. Also I am create Aura data admin pink. So as per standard I am creating these locations. So in that case my create db statement script file is ready to create a database. So see carefully all these parameters and all these statements, see carefully. So I am gonna prepare my, so once again I am look my p file. So this is the my p file. As per p file I am gonna export. First I am create environment to go to the SQL program. First export oracle underscore sid equal to, what is the my database name is pink. So I am export pink. See echo oracle sid, sorry oracle sid. So see here my environment set to the pink database, for the pink database. In that case I am SQL plus slash as sysdb. So I am a start in no mount stage, no mount from p file equal to slash home slash oracle slash init dot ora. So sorry my file location is wrong. So it is our database p file is pink.ora. So I am startup no mount, no mount p file equal to c slash home slash oracle slash pink dot aura, right? I am when I am run this statement, what happened you can see. It's allocate a PGA to the Oracle database instance and P file to using the P file. So it's acquire a SGA to the Oracle instance. So see here, this is the my SGA size, system global area size. This is the my size. So I'm gonna explain you. So it's a BC binary calculator. So this is 10 to 4 slash 10 to 4. You can see the what is the size of SGA is a 399. We are defining 399 400. So this is the size of SGA. So this is the SGA. So in next process we see in the alert log, to using the alert log what happened in background. So in that case we can use the alert log file. So I am defining editor here because of its define editor, need a ladder. So I'm gonna take alert logs. So I'm exit from here. So cd slash view01 slash app slash oracle the rdbms main pink trace pink cd trace. So see here, when I am run this statement, in that it's read a pink.aura file. So we can check the file. So I am check the file ed this file. So I am check it. See here, this is the audit location. So it's take diagnostics location is ORCL. In that case I am go to the, so I am show you, this is the my diag location. So in that case this diag location, diagnostics dump desk, use this location. So in that location it's create a diagnostics dump directory. So see here, there is a many files is created. First alert log is created, then as related to ping database it can create trace files and some alternative files. So see, memory management is here, VKTM, virtual time synchronization demo. So there is many created here. So we gonna tell -f. First we can check cat alert. Cat. Sorry. See here, many files is there. So I'm gonna cat what happened when we are running the GNOME on stage. So check. See, this statement is running that time. See, the what is the condition? Oracle instance is normal when max sessions, then session warnings. So we're gonna start up. It's load all the parameter from p file. Which p file is which parameter file is used? pink.ora. What, see here, see, this is the keyword. It's very important because of here when we are start the database, it indicate a server side p file, so server side parameter file. So in that case we are startup database through using the sp file. So now I am using the client side. Client side means a p file, it is a text file. So on machine, which machine? It's a db machine. So in that case it's load all these parameter in the Oracle instance. So this is the process. I gonna show you. Previously I show you what is the HJ size is 399. It is 400 MB, and this is the control file locations. Two locations is control file, data block size, and some all these parameters. Value is loaded into the Oracle instance. As per instance, it is gonna create an instance. So in that case, some background processes is started. So look up all these background processes start. VKTM, Dayag, and then database writer. What is the MMan? See, database writer, log writer, log writer, checkpoint, yesmon, recovery writer. All these background processes can be started. So Oracle base. What is the Oracle base? It is the /user1/app/oracle. It's all the background processes is started with some Linux ID. Some it's some process ID. So this is the ID of these processes. So what is the dispatcher process? This is the dispatcher process. So again I am showing you again lsnrctl status. Start the listener. See here, my listener cannot listen the pink database. See carefully. My listener is not listen the pink database. So in that case, when I'm started the database, it listen my listeners. So we gonna all this see in alert logs file. Tail-f alert log. So see, I'm divided into this file. So in that we can see all these parameters. So I'm gonna dd database. But I'm not a creator database, but I use the editor, so I want to put this. So see, copy it and paste here. So I'm run this script. See all these. It is the create db statement script. It is a previously we are checking all these parameters and see all these parameters and with explanation. So now in next step is we gonna run the create db statement script. So I'm running it. create db statements. So I run this script. So here some right. So we can see in background what is the create db statement. This is the statements. So see here, database mounted in exclusive mode. When I am run this command, I am run this script, create db script, it create a database. First it's a database in mounted stage. It's so all this process we can see here. Check. Current log sequence is what? Log sequence is 1. Sequence is 1. What is the redolog file? This is the redolog file. So what is the thread? Thread is 1. So where it is? Yeah, here thread is 1. So all this fast mtr fast start mttr target is not set. We are not set this target. So it's create, it's a rdbms. So you can see here decode.bsq create window table space. See here. So check all this we can discuss about later. It's running. See here, my window table space is created. So see, my system table space is created with 50 MB, 500 MB. Extents management is directory online. So see here, this extend management is local, segment space management I2. So see, alter database default temporary table space is temp. See here, my window table space is created, my temporary table space is created. It is when temporary table space is created, then it is acquired to default temporary table space is temp. So in that case, all these files is created and some background process is also activated after my database goes on the no mount stage. So see here, this is the my create db statement file. So check, let's check. Select open underscore state from $database. Sorry, it is open underscore mode. Select open underscore mode from $database. See, it is on read mode. Select start from $database. All views are created. DSC database. So I can show you the all. My database is created on this. So my database is open. So now we can create a sp file. Create sp file from p file equal to /home /oracle /pink.ora. So let's check where is my dollar oracle underscore home /dbs. So here check, here is not a sp file for the pink database. I am create and run this statement. So I am create this file in that location. So MLS, see here sp file is created, and as per when we are created sp file, it is some when we are started database, there is some file is created, additional file is created. So we can create password file for the our database. So I'm gonna create a password file. Ora pwd file equal to Ora pwd ping, and my password is equal to Vasco. This is my password. So check here Ora pwd ping, where it is, yeah, Ora pwd ping, my password file is created. So I am create my password file. So I am create my password file. So now I am shut down my database. Shut immediate. I can shut down my database. See what happened when in alert log file. See, all these processes instance can shut down. All this stop the background processes. So database is gonna stop. Database is dismounted. Close normal. First is close, then it is dismounted. Then instance gonna shut down. It is de-acquire. It's stop the all background processes and shut down. So check here, my instance is shut down. So I go MC show you. Startup no mount. It's no need to p file. So my spelling mistake. Startup no mount. So check here. So alter database open. Sorry, alter database mount. It is the way of starting the database after no mount, after mount, after open. So I'm gonna check. I'm gonna alter the database to archeolog mode. Alter database archeologs. And my database is altered. Alter database flashback on. Also I am on the flashback for the recovery purpose, for the saving my database. So I am gonna alter database open. But before that we can see in alert logs what happened when we are run the statement of archeologs. See, alter database archeolog is completed on this session. So we can alter the flashback. So flashback it is written in recovery title is enabled. So in that case recovery writer is started. What when touchback is started at SCN 15231. So I'm gonna alter the database in open. See here what happened. See, first time its archeolog process is completed. My database is started. So my database is okay. So in that case we started the database, but we not create a base tables and views. You remember that? Yeah. We cannot run the catalog.sql, catproc.sql and pubbld.sql. So we can run these commands. Where it is located? In rdbms location in Oracle Home. So @ /rdbms/admin/catalog.sql. remember this file, catalog.sql. remember this. I am created it. What happened when in background? So check. How many created synonyms is created, base tables and views are created through we are using the catalog.sql. So this catalog.sql is take more time. It's near 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So my catalog.sql script is running, is completed. So this is time when it is completed. So in that case what happened in background, we can check what happened in background. In that case my first redo logs is full. It goes on to the second. So it's also second is full. It goes to the third. So you can check because of the main SQL statement is running, or main SQL main SQL statement is running because of it is created, because of we can alter database in archeologs mode. That's why it is generated. So I gonna create I gonna run another script, rdbms/admin catproc.sql. it's not taken a long time. Let's check. We can how to check. See what happened in background. See my catproc.sql is running is over. So see what is the last statements of catproc.sql. so it is the script. So you can check catproc.sql. it's dbms underscore registry dot update schema. It is validated. So you can check. And last, what is the time? It is 21.00. so we can run third script is rdbms admin/pubbld.sql. it's give the privileges to the users. bld.sql. and run the pubbld.sql. Then we can add the entry TNS entry. So cd network admin. See here there is an tns name.ora file, so we can edit it. tns name.ora file. So see here and just copy it, come to the down, paste here. So I can rename the file pink. The database is pink. It's a pink. So I can add the entry in init.ora file. vi/etc init.ora ora tag ora/etc/ora tab. So just copy this line just here and rename it. So I am added the entry in ora tab. So I am check it /etc/ora tab. See, this is the entry of my database. So exit from this prompt. So let's check the database name. Select name from the dollar database. See, this is the pink. So this is the my database name. So this is the way to create a manual database creation. So I'm gonna start some show you the some script to the related to database. So cd /vb cd plus tva. So I'm gonna start SQL. This is the all script you can download on the net. db_bundles is a script file name, so you can download and manage the database. So hope you my tutorial is best for your study. Then in next topic we are discuss about how to create database through using the RMAN.